This video walks you through how to add a payment plan reminder in Clio Manage. Once you are signed in to Clio Manage, start from the left navigation menu and click Billing. This takes you to the area where bills and related billing details are managed. From there, open the Bills tab. In the list of bills, find the one connected to the client you want to update. Take a moment here to make sure you are selecting the correct bill before moving on, since the reminder will appear on that client's bill. When you have located it, click View beside the bill. That opens the bill details, where you can review and adjust the information that appears on the document. Next, scroll down until you reach the Notes section of the bill. Within that section, look for Payment Profile Notes. This is the area used to display payment-related terms and reminder language directly on the client's bill. To add a due date reminder based on the client's payment profile, check the option labeled Show Payment Profile, Grace Period. Turning this on adds a reminder that tells the client when payment is due according to the grace period set in their payment profile. After enabling that setting, review the message shown in the text box. If needed, edit the wording so it matches how you want the reminder to appear on the bill. If you want Clio to insert the correct grace period automatically, include the field in the message. That placeholder pulls in the applicable grace period for the payment profile instead of requiring you to enter it manually each time. If the bill should also show other payment terms, stay in the same payment profile notes area and enable any additional options that apply. For example, you can select Show Payment Profile Discount to display discount-related terms on the bill along with the payment reminder. Only turn on the notes that match the payment terms you want the client to see. Once the reminder text and any other payment profile notes are set the way you want, save the bill or save the billing template changes depending on where you made the update. Saving applies the reminder settings so they appear on the bill going forward. Thanks for watching. Your Clio Manage bill now includes a payment plan reminder based on the selected payment profile settings.